Welcome to Kerala PSC Prep. Today's study notes cover Center-State Relations Legislative, Administrative, Financial, Articles 245 to 263. Comprehensive study notes on Center-State Relations covering three types of relations, Finance Commission, ISC, and related constitutional provisions for Kerala PSC. Constitutional Framework. Provision. Articles. Distribution of legislative powers. 245 to 255. Distribution of revenues. 268 to 281. Administrative relations. 256 to 263. Continuing constitutional framework. 7th Schedule. Lists I, 2, 3. 1. Legislative relations, Articles 245 to 255. List. Items originally. Union List, List I. 97 subjects, now 100. State List, List 2. 66 subjects, now 61. Concurrent List, List 3. 47 subjects, now 1952. Continuing 1. Legislative Relations, Articles 245 to 255. Article. Provision. 245. Parliament can make laws for whole or any part of India, state legislature for whole or part of the state. 246. Distribution of legislative powers as per three lists. 248. Residuary powers belong to Parliament, unlike USA where residuary lies with states. Continuing 1. Legislative Relations, Articles 245 to 255. 249. Rajya Sabha can authorize Parliament to legislate on state list matter by 2nd March majority, for national interest, valid for 1 year. 250. During national emergency, Parliament can legislate on state list subjects. 251. Parliamentary law prevails over state law on concurrent list. 252. Two or more states can request Parliament to legislate on a state list matter. Continuing 1. Legislative Relations, Articles 245 to 255. 253. Parliament can legislate on any subject to implement international treaties agreements. 254. Concurrent list conflict. Central law prevails unless state law received presidential assent. Situation. Article. Rajya Sabha Resolution, 2/3 majority. 249 and 4 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 2. Administrative Relations, Articles 256 to 263. Article. Provision. 256. State executive must comply with union laws, union can give directions. 257. Union can direct states on certain matters, communication, railways, protection of railways. 258. Union can confer powers on state officers, with consent of state government. Continuing 2. Administrative Relations, Articles 256 to 263. 258a. States can confer powers on union officers, added by 7th Amendment. 260. Union jurisdiction over territories outside India. 261. Full faith and credit to public acts, records, judicial proceedings of union and states. 262. Parliament can make laws for adjudication of interstate river disputes. Continuing 2. Administrative Relations, Articles 256 to 263. 263. President can establish an interstate council. Aspect. Details. Established by President of India. Constitutional basis. Article 263. Continuing 2. Administrative Relations, Articles 256 to 263. Recommended by Sarkaria Commission, 1988, set up in 1990. Chairman. Prime Minister. Members. Chief Ministers of all states, Administrators of UTs, 6 Union Cabinet Ministers. Function: inquire and advise on interstate disputes, investigate subjects of common interest, recommend coordination. And 6 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 3. Financial Relations, Articles 268 to 281. Category: Article: taxes levied and collected by Union but assigned to states. 268. Taxes levied by Union, collected and appropriated by states. 268A. Repealed. Taxes levied and collected by Union but distributed between Union and states. 270. Continuing 3. Financial Relations, Articles 268 to 281. Surcharge on certain taxes for Union purposes. 271. Aspect. Details. Constitutional body. Yes, Article 280. Appointed by President. Continuing 3. Financial Relations, Articles 268 to 281. Composition: Chairman plus 4 members. Qualification: Chairman must be a person with experience in public affairs. Tenure: determined by President. Function: recommend distribution of net tax proceeds between Centre and States, principles for grants and aid, measures to augment state resources. Continuing 3. Financial Relations, Articles 268 to 281. FC. Chairman. 14th, Y.V. Reddy. 15th, N.K. Singh. 16th, Arvind Panagarya. And 9 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. PSC Focused Quick Recall. Question pattern. Answer: residuary powers under Indian Constitution. Parliament, Article 248. Which list has maximum subjects? Union list, 100 subjects. Article for interstate river disputes. 262. Continuing PSC Focused Quick Recall. Article for Interstate Council. 263. Finance Commission Article. 280. Chairman of GST Council. Union Finance Minister. Sarkaria Commission relates to Centre-State Relations. Continuing PSC Focused Quick Recall. States' share of divisible pool, 15th FC. 41%. Rajya Sabha Resolution for State List Legislation. Article 249, 2/3 majority. Education was moved to concurrent list by 42nd Amendment, 1976. For complete notes with tables and more details, visit keralaprep.com. Take quizzes and earn mock tests. Join our Telegram channel at keralaprep26 for daily updates.